Hi everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to talk about the Bitwig 5.3, which is soon to be released. And in this new version they added some new drum modules. You have the V0, V8 and the V9. Men säg inte att du spelar Fortnite. Går det bra? So the V9 is a TR-909 kind of inspired set of drum modules. The V8 is obviously TR-808 inspired set of drum devices. And then you have the V0 drum modules, which is kind of detune oscillator banks and FM synthesis and that kind of sound generators. And one of the cool new features here in the Beta 5 edition is that they listened to the community and added pitch tracking and a tuning knob. So we can adjust the pitch of the different drum modules. And this one is the V8 snare, which is an 808 kind of snare. It gives you plenty of awesome controls to really tune in the sound to suit your music. And the great thing about having this new pitch knob is that if we load something like the V9 kick, we can actually play that as a bass. Really cool. Yeah, so if you have an active license of Bitwig Studio, I highly recommend that you go and download this beta, the 5.3 beta, because there's a lot of fun to be had with these new drum modules. They sound really great, pack a lot of punch, and yeah, just sit really great in any type of mix. Right, so if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to check out my courses. We have the Bitwig Studio Masterclass and also the new Bitwig Grid Unlocked course, where you'll basically learn everything you need to know about synthesis and working in the grid environment. Right, so that's all for today. My name is Mattias and see you in the next video. Bye.